folks, I've got a banjo ukulele to show you. This is number 665. It's walnut and pistachio with a goatskin head. It's a pretty standard model for me, but it's been a while since I've made one, so it feels good to remind myself how much I like these. So, yeah, this it's a pretty straight grain, plain walnut. I like making these 5-piece necks for these little banjo ukes. Walnut block rim with a little pistachio cap on it. Just a real simple design. It's got a K&K pickup. I love how the goatskin turned out on this one. Concert scale and a little straight grain pistachio and head plate. Sorry, fretboard and head plate. So yeah. So yeah, banjo ukulele is a pretty loud instrument in general. This one's got that, but it's got a good dynamic range. It feels sweet enough that it's not impolite. So there you go, number 665. Cheers.